Hello everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we will understand how we can solve this issue where the Salesforce Lightning logo call button is missing. So we will start off this video tutorial by first discussing this issue related to a logo call button missing, which generally occur in the activity tab of Salesforce Lightning. Then we can discuss the solution, how we can solve this issue, or how we can add the logo call button in the activity tab of the Salesforce. So before we start off this topic, I would like to tell you that we have created this channel for the specifically Salesforce tutorial where we cover different topics related to the Salesforce. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel and you can also press the bell icon to get the regular updates from this. Now let's move ahead. So firstly, move to our Salesforce Lightning account. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. If you are not in the Lightning one, firstly switch to the Lightning and then proceed further. So now recently when I'm working and assessing the record of the account object, so firstly click on the app launcher and assess the account object. Click on the view all and then scroll down and click on the accounts and it will redirect us to the list view page of the account object. Now recently I assessing the record of the account object. Now under the account object, wherever I am trying to view the record, so I click any of the record and under the activity tab you can see there is a no logo call button is present. I was unable to use the logo call button, but here you can see the logo call button is missing. There is a only new task button is present. No action button is present. So we want to add a logo call which is missing under this activity tab. Now how we can add this logo call button in this activity tab in Salesforce Lightning? So for this I click on the set gear icon and click on the setup option and it will redirect us to the setup home page and then click on the object manager tab and here I click on the accounts object and then click on the page layout that is present under the details and it will redirect us to the page layout page and here I select the account layout and it will redirect us to the account layout page and here you can see lots of fields are present and here I select the mobile and lightning action option and then scroll down to the mobile and Salesforce mobile and lightning experience action section and here you can see no logo call button is present here. So from the above we add the logo call button and here you can see lots of buttons are present and search for the logo call button and here is the logo call button. Drag this and drop under this Salesforce mobile and lightning action and here you can see there is a logo call is added to this section and we move above and drag this to above and placed near the new task and here is a new task and I want to place here this logo call and then click on the save button and our layout is saved and it will move back to the page layout page and now we again click on the app launcher and view all option. Now we want to see our logo call button is added to the activity tab or not. So again click on the accounts and click on the record and here I again click on the Burlington text style and now under the activity tab you can see the logo call button is added. This is how we can add the logo call button which is missing under the activity tab, but this time we can see a logo call button is added by simply doing some steps and our logo call button is added under this activity tab in the account object. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.